Shoutout po kay Patrick Gabriel, kahilingan niya mga possible questions sa initial and final interview as room attendant. Ito po ang mga sumusunod. Can you tell me about yourself? Dito mo ipakilala ang sarili mo, work experience mo, at kung bakit ka interested sa trabaho. Why do you want to work as a room attendant on a cruise ship? Dapat ipakita mo na passionate ka sa hospitality at gusto mong magbigay ng quality service sa guest. What experience do you have in housekeeping or hospitality? Ikwento mo kung may experience ka na sa hotel, resort o ibang similar na trabaho. Can you explain the process of cleaning and preparing a guest room? Dapat may step-by-step process ka sa pag-aayos ng kwarto, paglilinis at final check. What would you do if a guest complains that their room is not clean? Ipakita mo dapat ang professionalism at willingness to resolve the issue agad. What will you do if you find a valuable item left by a guest in their room? Dapat ipakita mong honest ka at susundin mo ang company policy para sa lost and found. How do you handle working long hours and being away from your family? Ipakita mo na kaya mo mag-adjust sa ganitong lifestyle at may dedication ka sa trabaho. Why should we hire you? Dito mo ibebenta ang sarili mo. Sabihin mo ang strengths mo tulad ng pagiging hardworking, reliable at customer-oriented. Good luck sa interview mo.